Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you how you can make money with NFT and generative AI. So in just a couple of minutes you learn how to do that. It's really cool. The first thing what you need is the right tools. So I use InVideo AI, I'll link that in the description, and if you subscribe to my referral link you'll get 50 extra minutes of AI on your first purchase. So let's hop in. The first thing what you need to do is once you make an account with my link, you'll come here and you need to go where? You need to go here, basically to plugins and text to image, because you're gonna be making image. You can make videos also, but you need to think of crazy smart ideas to make money, you know? So in my opinion, this is quite a cool idea now that Trump is in the thing, you know? So all you need to do is just type in here your prompt, what exactly you wanna do. So in this case, we're gonna be talking about Trump on the cover of a fictional book, The Art of Hold. I'm a holder. And then you click generate image. That's it. And then you wait. So have in mind that InVideo has a free plan with 10 minutes of AI generation, but it doesn't have free generative credits. So with about $15, you can get 60 seconds of video or 60 image, I'm assuming. So it's quite good. We're gonna see now what is the output, and you don't need designers, you know, to make this. So now with AI, it's really cool, and it's anyway thanks to designers that AI is like that, because it's doing it with machine learning. So once this is done, we're gonna wait now. So we're here. So that was it. It took me like a couple of minutes to do this awesome NFT. And as you can see here, the art of the hold. Now that's a unique image, okay? So you can't find that if you Google it. So once you've done it, you know, in a couple of minutes, you just need to download it. Wow, look at that quality. That is awesome. That is awesome. It took me a couple of minutes to do that. Of course, you can use Canva and all that. You can do your own images and all that. But this is really cool. That would take me quite a while to do. So once you download the image, you need to go to Rarible. And by the way, you'll need a MetaMask account. I'll link that in the description, how to make a MetaMask account in a couple of minutes, and also how to make NFTs on Rarible. But I'll show you again how to do it now, because that's related in this video. So the first thing, you go to rarible.com. And if you list it in Rarible, by the way, it will list everywhere. Okay, so, and then you have to log into your MetaMask account. Okay, and then once you're in, okay, there you are. You need to go to here to press the profile, basically, create NFT, choose Ethereum. And I'm gonna do multiple ones. You need to upload the image here. You can do also videos and all that. Put on marketplace, make sure this is selected, and put the price. In my case, I wanna sell it for 369 euros each NFT. And then you have to put the date of listing. So I'll do it for 3 months. You can also put unlock once purchase, but in my case, I'm just gonna do it. You can select free minting. You know, free minting, basically, it's once someone will buy it, then it will be available and minted, basically. And then you can put the name. In my case, I'm gonna put Trump on the cover of a fictional book, and the description is going to be The Art of Hold. So here you can put the royalties. So basically, if someone will buy it and resell it, you keep getting royalties for it. I'll keep it on 10% in this case. And you just do create. Oh, number of copies. I forgot the most important. So here you can put the number of copies. In my case, it's 369 copies I want to be doing on that. And then you wait. And in a couple of minutes, you're gonna have your NFT. So you got the idea. So this is it. It's quite easy. So you get the generative AI, or you can do it with Canva if you're a designer. And you need to think of smart ideas, you know, so that someone would buy it. And then if you're not a designer, you can invest in it. I mean, if you want to hire a designer, it's gonna cost you about 1K or something. So let's see, that was, yes, you have to confirm it here. Or you can also hire designers, by the way. There it is. So it's done. You can share it on Facebook, Telegram, and you can send it as an email on Twitter. So let's see it. And it will be available on your profile. So there it is, actually. It takes a bit of time. Let's see. There it is. So that's my NFT, and there is 369 available, and the price is $368. Well, 369 euros. And that's it. It's quite simple, innit? And also you can see here the original image. And that is awesome. You see, in a couple of minutes, you can make your own NFTs with generative AI. So that was it. It was a quick, short video to show you how you can make money with NFTs and generative AI. If you're looking to, you know, follow the news in crypto, I do weekly crypto news, by the way. And that was it for today. Crypto Inspector is out.